What if a tiny rodent holds the key to human immortality? Today, we reveal how naked mole rats evolved the unique DNA repair system that defies aging. Let's start with the basics. DNA is our genetic blueprint, but it constantly faces damage from mutagens like radiation and chemicals that change our sequence. However, the naked mole rat has evolved a bizarre superpower. A specialized DNA repair mechanism that actively fixes these errors before they cause mutations. This biological shield allows them to live much longer than other rodents of similar size, effectively pausing the aging process at a cellular level. Scientists are now studying these specific repair proteins to understand how they can be applied to human medicine and genetic therapies. Imagine a future where designer babies are born disease-free, or where humans can live decades longer without the frailty of old age. The discovery proves that longevity isn't just luck, it's a biological strategy we are finally learning to decode from nature. This rat DNA discovery could rewrite our history. What do you think? Should we use this technology to extend human life? Let me know in the comments.